So here's the proposal, right? Here's the proposition. How much richer can your view, your perspective of your work be, of your job and your role as a leader be, if you look at this multidimensional thing called success? And it's not flat. It's not just not flat, multidimensional, but it's even dynamic. Isn't it beautiful that it's dynamic? And that you can, the power here lies in realizing where you are, not by default, not because you just landed in that part on autopilot, but because you intentionally chose that that's the right focus for you at that point. And once you know, you cannot not know. Once you see, cannot unsee that there are other dimensions to success. So in the back of your brain, there's something reminding you that okay, it's a new role, a new location, a new project, a new client, a new whatever. So I have to focus on building the relationships. But let's not forget, I have to deliver things and I have to take care of myself, right? So there will be time to focus on each, and you have the power to choose. That's the last thing that they can take from you, of where you focus on. And there's a saying that we love at Excellent, and also at Atma Prema. We have so much affinity, right? What you focus on expands, right? Because if you focus on the I will expand. If you focus on the it, it's going to cram your calendar. If you focus on the we, you're just going to party all night. Just kidding. Okay? So what you focus on will expand. So be very mindful, be very intentional as leaders where you focus on, right? So do you get CSI here, or any police, investigation drama? So you realize that it's plain light of day and they're looking for evidence. They close all the blinds, they shut off all the lights, and they take a flashlight. You realize that? I would always think, it's plain daylight. Open up everything, if you want to find something, use all the light there is. Why, just get a flashlight? Does anybody know why? No? No CSI agents over here? Well, actually, it's easier to find something. You get blinded when everything is just, you have lights everywhere. You cannot find, nothing stands out. However, if you dim the lights and you really focus your flashlight, it's easier to find the evidence you're looking for, right? So what you focus on, you focus your flashlight on, you're going to notice. So that's you now. You have a flashlight, not just for blackouts and brownouts. Now, this is the metaphor for you as a leader. What you focus on will expand.